Here are some news updates from Wednesday, the 25th day of March 2020. The Nigerian Center for Disease Control on Tuesday announced 2 new cases of the novel coronavirus, bringing the confirmed cases in the country to 46. In a series of tweets on Wednesday, the health agency said one of the cases was confirmed in Lagos, while the other case was discovered in Osun State, adding that both cases are returning travelers to Nigeria in the last 7 days. The federal government will commence its agricultural mechanization program across 632 local government areas this year, beginning from September. The Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development, Alhaji Sabo Nanono, stated this at the South-South Agro-Industrial Inspection and Town Hall meeting in Calabar, Cross River State. According to him, the federal government has included plans for the mechanization program, which he said will be private sector driven to guarantee quantum leap in the agricultural sector, adding that the country is moving towards an agricultural revolution, especially with the states keying into agro-industrialization. The minister further stated that agro-industrialization was an authentic strategy for reducing unemployment, guaranteeing food security, and increasing the level of agricultural trade and investment. The Joint Admissions and Matriculations Board (JAMB) says it has temporarily suspended all activities requiring physical contacts in all its offices and centers nationwide. JAMB Registrar Ishak Oloyede, who disclosed this in a statement on Tuesday, said the development is in line with the professional advice of the government on safety of all persons in relation to the COVID-19 pandemic around the globe. Oloyede, who explained that all services requiring biometric verification were henceforth suspended till further notice, however assured the public of the board's prompt and adequate services online, adding that the situation will be reviewed regularly. The Monetary Policy Committee of the Central Bank of Nigeria on Tuesday said the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic will lead to massive economic crisis capable of throwing many countries into recession. According to the committee, the COVID-19 pandemic would not only result in health crisis, but also massive economic crisis that would force leading industrialized countries into recession. The CBN Governor Godwin Emefiele, who gave the warning at the end of his 2-day meeting held at the Apex Bank's headquarters in Abuja, said the Monetary Policy Committee underscored the COVID-19 pandemic as a public health crisis which would continue to undermine any monetary policy or fiscal stimulus unless appropriate measures were taken to trace, test, isolate persons in order to curtail the spread. In football, Manchester United is reportedly set to turn Odion Ighalo's loan move into a permanent deal this summer. Shanghai Shenhua, who is prepared to sell Ighalo, put a £15 million valuation on the player, and United said it would match the price of the Chinese Super League club for the striker. Ighalo has scored 4 goals in 8 appearances since his arrival from Shanghai Shenhua in January, but has had his hot streak curtailed due to the suspension imposed on football as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. And that's the news update at this time on Television Nigeria, and many thanks for watching. I am Charles Ibe.